come back to Helper Dad. PlayHT is a popular text-to-speech platform, and downloading your generated audio is crucial for utilizing the content you create. His guide will outline the available methods for downloading audio from PlayHT. The first method is direct download, suitable for single audio files. To do this, first generate your audio using the PlayHT's text-to-speech engine. Then, locate the generated audio file within the PlayHT interface. You should find a download icon, typically a downward-pointing arrow, next to the audio. Click this icon and choose a save location on your device. The audio file, generally in .mp3 or .wav format, will then download. Alternatively, for automated or batch downloads, you can use the PlayHT API, which requires a PlayHT API key and some programming knowledge in languages like Python or JavaScript. To use the API, first authenticate your application using your API key. Then, use the available API endpoints to generate audio from text and retrieve the audio file URL. Finally, download the audio file from the returned URL using programming tools like the requests library in Python. For example, you would replace your _plate_API_key and plate_API_ENDPINT with your specific API key and the TDS generation API endpoint. You would also adjust the voice selection based on the available API parameters. The audio_URL would then be extracted from the response, and you'd save the downloaded content to a file like output.mp3. Remember that this is a simplified example, and a full implementation would need proper error handling. A third method involves downloading via podcast RSS feed when PlayHT is used to generate podcast episodes, and the RSS feed is publicly available. First, locate the RSS feed URL for the PlayHT-generated podcast. Then, use a podcast downloader or podcasting app that supports RSS feeds. Add the RSS feed to the downloader, and the app will list all available episodes for you to download as desired. If you encounter issues, here are some troubleshooting tips. If your download isn't working, check your internet connection, ensure you have sufficient storage space, verify that your PlayHT subscription is active, and try a different browser or download manager. For API errors, double-check that your API key is correct, review the PlayHT API documentation for error codes and resolutions, and ensure that your code is properly formatted and authenticated. In conclusion, downloading audio from PlayHT provides flexibility for various applications. Choose the method best suited to your particular needs, and remember to consult the official PlayHT documentation for the most up-to-date information, and consider upgrading your subscription to access advanced features. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper Dad.